Hi, I'm just me, and Merry Christmas! I say this because, one, I'm uploading this on Christmas Eve, it's just the way the schedule worked out, and two, this box, theoretically, should be Christmas themed. Now if you don't celebrate Christmas, then thank you for clicking on this video in the first place, and comment below, what is your winter feast day thing? Because almost every religion on the whole world has some kind of like winter festival, so comment below, what's yours? And I'm just gonna get right into this. Loot Fright is a subscription box of horror themed things, and theoretically this month is December, which was I'm supposed to get in November, but it's Christmas themed, so it's okay that it came in December. The shipping when it comes to Loot Fright and Loot Crate in general, it's kind of a leap of faith. You just kind of hope it comes. Yeah. Anyway, so let's open this. I'm going to put this here where you can't see. I'm going to... Christmas everywhere. So I'm going to put this here where you can't see. I'm going to go over here where I can't see. And then I'm going to fight with this one. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here where I can't see. So, on top we have something soft in a bag. It's soft and in a bag. Oh, before we start. Place your bets below, unofficial bets because we're not actually trading anything. Place your bets below, how many Krampus items? How many? Because I think this might be the first one. Also, at one point, they would give you like little cards saying what everything was, but they don't do that anymore. They want me to go online and I'm just not going to. So here we go. Our first thing has little devils on it. And by devils I mean probably Krampus. It's a scarf. It kind of reminds me of a Gryffindor scarf, but it's got little devils. / probably Krampuses. It's soft. It's reversible. That's really all I can say about it. I mean, I'm Canadian, don't get me wrong. Never turned down a good scarf. But, I don't know. It's kind of underwhelming. Personal opinion. But like I said, never turned down a good scarf. And it feels like it's a good scarf. It feels like thick and warm. Yeah. Close up on the knit in case anybody cares. And while I'm here, close up on the devil in case anybody cares. And I know it's probably supposed to be Krampus, but it doesn't look enough like Krampus. Bets below. How many unnecessary plastic bags are we going to get? Next we have a big thing. Too big for my tiny hands. It is. Mr. Cramp Monster Season. Blah 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 Krampus. Blah 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 Krampus. I don't know if this is like a movie or a show or maybe a video game. It doesn't not look like Cuphead? Is that what it's called? Sure, we'll pretend that that's what it's called. There's a little story on the back that I really don't care to get into. What is this? Oh, it comes with a stand. That's nice. Okay. So here's a Krampus of some form, and type, and description. He's got this hunchback thing going on. He's bent over really funny. He's got his sack and a tail. And this face. And comes with a stand that I'm not going to bother getting out right now. There's a good chance this is going to be the shelf item, so subscribe to see future episodes where this may or may not be in the background. Next, well then, it's Lucky Krampus foot. Is there a legend that goes with this? Is there a movie that has lucky hoofs? It's got runes on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And there's that. I mean, I love a good keychain. It's pretty solid. So, I don't know. That's a strange one. Plastic. This is the card that says go online, and tell you what it is. And finally, because in this box you get 4 to 6 items. So this is the 4. Comes in a little pouch. Gotta love a good pouch. Ugh. In the pouch is this. Don't know what this is. Did you say on the back? Made in China. Somebody comment below and tell me what this is. Is this just like another interpretation of Krampus? Or have I missed something? Bet you it's a tree ornament. Maybe. It's really heavy though. I have no idea what to do with this thing. Is it a bracelet? No. Comes in a cool pouch. And ow, so that was everything in November. It's supposed to come in November, but it's December, so Novembers. Loot Fright. So that was a disappointing amount of Krampus. Not just because there's not a lot of stuff, but I mean 4 to 6 items. It says right on the thing. And we got 4 items. They were just all Krampus. Weren't they all Krampus? I don't know. There are other Christmas legends that they could make movies about, be horrified about. Give me a Yule Cat film. That I want to see. Yule Cat the movie. Terrifying. And of course, I mean, like Santa. Santa is absolutely horrifying. Spying on you, sneaking into your house in the middle of the night. Maybe it's just a reindeer hoof. Sorry. Yeah, so I don't know. Kind of disappointed. We got this random thing that I don't know what it is or what to do with it. This cute little pouch that I love because pouches are cute. And we've got this lucky demon hoof. Unlucky demon hoof. I don't understand this thing. Please comment below if you understand these things. I feel like there's gotta be a movie that I didn't watch or something. Like some Krampus legend that I've just missed. Speaking of Krampus, here's a Krampus-style monster. I'll find a spot. And finally, this scarf. Which, I'm not going to try it on right now because I'm wearing makeup and I don't want to have to wash it. But yeah, it feels like a good scarf. Probably going to wear the scarf. So, like this if you like this. Comment anything you want to say. Subscribe for new videos once a week. Hit the notification bell. Give up on the notification bell and just follow me on Twitter. And if you want to message me on Twitter, please do. Just know that I'm always logged in, but I'm not always near my phone. So it might take me a bit to get back to you, but I will. And I guess that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye!